Hey guys, today we will discuss about Vigora 100 mg red tablet. Vigora 100 mg red tablet is a medicine which is a prescription based used medicine which is used for the treatment of erectile dysfunction in men, well known as impotency. It works by the increasing blood flow to the penis, and it's also known as PDE5 inhibitor drug. What is PDE5 inhibitor drug? It is a medicine which is used and known as the phosphodiesterase type 5 inhibitor drug, also known as PDE5 inhibitor drug. Let's talk about some general information about Vigor 100 mg tablet. The contents of Vigor 100 mg tablet is sildenafil and the manufacture of Zydus Cadila, and the storage condition about 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. The MRP of Vigor 100 mg tablet is 116 and 116 for the 4 tablet in a strip. And let's first talk about how to work in the body and what is the sildenafil. Sildenafil is a PD5 inhibitor which is work by the relaxing the blood vessels in your penis. So it's increase blood flow into the penis and on sexual stimulation. This help you achieve and maintain a hard and erect penis suitable for the sexual activity and increase your sexual desire. What's the uses of erectile dysfunction? The benefits of uses of Vigor tablet in erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction is the disease which is have less stimulation and the not proper erectile dysfunction. So it is PDE5 inhibitor drug, so which work the relaxing the blood vessel in your penis and use as a vasodilator. So let's talk about some more description about Vigor 100 mg red tablet. So you can use empty stomach or with a meal or before any meal. So you can use anytime. So you should take about 1 hour before you plan to have sex. The amount of time it's take to the work varies from person to person, but is not normally take between 30 minutes and 1 hour. The medicine will only help you to get an erection if you are sexually stimulated. So it should not be taken more than once a day. And the common side effect of the medicine are uh, warm senses like flushing, headache, dizziness, blurred vision, muscle pain, stomach upset, and the rashes. So talk your doctor if any kind of side effects bother you or do not go away. And the medicine is not intended for the use by women, and men should avoid using any other medicine to treat impotence without taking to a doctor first. So it is a nitrate drug. So it can dangerous to take along with the medicine called nitrates, like angina medicine and the chest pain medicine. So if you have liver problem, please do not use. Have recently had a stroke and heart attack, please do not use. Have any kind of blood pressure problem, please do not use the Vigor 100 mg tablet and sildenafil tablet. Let's talk about some alternate brands. If you have no option about Vigor 100 mg tablet, you can also purchase double force 100 mg tablet, which is manufactured by Srinivas Gujarat Laboratories, and the Integra 100 mg tablet, which is used by the Intas, and the Edigra 100 mg tablet, and Vigord Blue 100 mg tablet, which is manufactured by the Scott Adil Pharmaceutical Company. And let's talk about some safety advice. Please do not use alcohol and consume alcohol with this medicine. It is totally unsafe, and using in pregnancy and breastfeeding, please consult your doctor. If any woman can use tadalafil, not sildenafil, so please consult your doctor. So using with driving and operating machinery is unsafe, so please do not use. And this medicine make you feel sleepy and the dizzy, so do not drive if these symptoms occurs. And the about of kidney disease, it is safe if doctor you have prescribed. And in the liver disease, please do not take this medicine. And interaction with this medicine, many medicine are available. So nitroglycerin and the isosorbate diantrate and the nicorandil tablet. So this side effect is life threatening. Please do not use any kind of medicine with Vigor 100 mg tablet. So it is the complete review about Vigor 100 mg red tablet. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel or hit the bell icon and do comment if you wanna any kind of another information about